Hi, my name is Janice. I teach middle school and high school math. I really try to foster a safe space and a non-judgment zone for my students. I know it can be really nerve-wracking to ask questions at school in front of 30 of your peers. You can feel like you're being judged, or it can be really nerve-wracking and cause a lot of anxiety. So as a tutor, I would try to foster a safe space to ask questions. And I never want my students to be scared to make mistakes because mistakes are very important in the learning process. And if you're not making mistakes, that means you're not being challenged enough. I feel like every mistake is productive to the learning process. Going from high school to university is a huge change. In high school, your teachers are more involved in your academic life. In university, nobody is there to help you. Nobody is supporting you. You have to know how to study independently. And it's a huge adjustment because it takes a lot of discipline. You need to get yourself out of bed every day and study. When I first got into university, a big struggle of mine was time management and how I can use my time effectively to manage such a large workload. As people say, you should work smarter, not harder. It's important to know what tasks to prioritize and maximize your own learning. So, what works for somebody else might not work best for you when you're studying, and your studying strategies might not work for someone else. So, it's really about exploring different strategies when you're studying and learning what works best for you. It's always okay to change your mind when you're deciding your career path. It's a very big decision to make, and it's never too late to change your mind, as I said earlier. So, when you're deciding what career you want to do, it's mainly about knowing your own strengths and weaknesses and exploring various careers that may align with your personal skills and interests. And I think it's really important to choose a career that you actually would enjoy and not only something that can sustain you financially, but it's also important that you can enjoy your time when you're working.